Hey guys, Connor here again at earthmotorcars. Today we're showcasing this 1971 Ford Bronco, brand new, fresh build that we just got in inventory. And come here, I want to show you something. So, a little trick this guy has, powered by the legendary Gen 4 Coyote with the 10R80 10-speed transmission. Brand new build, less than 40 miles on the odometer on this guy. Pretty cool. Everything in this truck has been done. Hydro boost setup, like I said, brand new 5.0, brand new 10-speed. Coming around wheels and tires here. This guy is rocking the 17-inch Toyo tires, name brand. We don't play around. Suspension-wise on this guy, we got Fox shocks all the way around. And if you take a look in here to this gap, we got about a 6-inch lift on this guy, about a 3-inch body lift, 3-inch suspension lift with full custom suspension underneath here. If you take a look, we got custom arms here, custom arms going to the back for that full rigidity. You really need that for the Coyotes and these things. If you don't do that with the Coyote, you kind of got a problem with the body roll, everything like that. These trucks weren't designed for the amount of power that this thing makes. Looking in the interior here, this is where it really comes into shine. Custom door panels, full carpet interior, diamond stitch seats, automatic shifter, push button 4-wheel drive. I mean, I could sit here and name it all day long. Double din radio, VHX gauges. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Come around to the back here. This is where we really tried to go the extra mile here at Earth. Take a look here, guys. This is not factory right here. You even got tailgate seats that we had custom upholstered along with the white in here to match everything on the inside. Put these guys up. This guy is running a stock frame on here, but we've reinforced the parts of it that are weak. And like I said, with that custom suspension on here, really helps everything out. Taking a look at the top on this guy, we do have a custom roll cage on this with a full bimini top, as I call it, all the way here, all the way to the back. Usually whenever you buy a top on these, they only go to about right here, but this guy goes all the way back along with this custom roll cage. Lastly, look at this paint. Seafoam green paint with white exterior markings on here. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's just take a walk around here. Like I said, guys, everything on this truck has been done. Suspension, engine, trans, interior, everything is new. Less than 40 miles on this guy. Drives like a dream. I would daily drive this thing if I could afford it, just being honest with you here. I'm gonna put the hood down. Well, that's it for this truck. Let's go take it for a drive and I'll show you just how good this brand new build does. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, kind of walk you guys through interior, everything like that. You guys can't see the odometer on here, but I show 37 miles is how much we have on this guy. It's been driven maybe once or twice, but we always try to put at least a little bit of miles on it before we drive them just to test them out. Even on the double din radio right here, as you can see, we still have the protective film on here. Full custom push button 4-wheel drive. Again, 10-speed 10R80 transmission, brand new Gen 4 Coyote. Really rare. Usually you see Gen 3s. We're trying to go the extra mile and do the Gen 4s. But we try to do everything right on these trucks. Like I said, full custom interior, AC on this guy. Works, blows cold, blows hot, whatever you want it to. Digital gauges, brand new steering wheel. I mean, this thing is just gnarly. So let's go for a drive. What do you think? All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right. It's a little windy in here, but I mean, I let go of the steering wheel. She tracks straight. I could drive this thing with one finger, realistically. Now guys, I've worked here for about 6 years. I've been doing this for about 10 years, doing full restos, everything like that. The trick is with these Broncos, you can put Coyotes in them all day long, but then the whole body twist, whenever you stomp on them, the whole truck will do this and you'll be all over the road. I'm gonna let go of the steering wheel right now. We're tracking a little bit to the left, that's just from the road. I mean, I can drive this thing no hands. This thing cruises all day long. That custom suspension with the little bit wider tires that we do is the difference in these builds right here, guys, I'm telling you. It sounds good too. We're cruising down the road right now. You don't even hear the exhaust really until you get on it. I'll show you up here, but with the open top, no sidewalls on the roof, anything like that, it's that perfect sound, I think, of like you get the exhaust, but whenever you're cruising down the road, you're not screaming to everybody around you, look at me, look at me. All right, guys, thanks for taking a ride with me on this 71 Bronco. Like I said, this is a brand new build on this guy. Gen 4 Coyote, 10-speed trans, full custom suspension, brand new beautiful paint. Come in, take it for a drive yourself, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.